Hey guys, my name is Anchal Vek and I'm here to give you a full moon special reading today. So the message is all about what do you need to release this full moon, or what is the issue that you have been working on, and if any guidance is coming out. So all you need to do to receive your reading is choose number 1 or this crystal, or you can choose number 2, the clear quartz crystal. So after you have made your choice, I'm going to begin the reading now. So for those who have chosen the solidite crystal, let me see what message is coming your way. Okay, so I am getting this message of I don't know, proposals, or for some people I'm just feeling like let go of timelines when it comes to this thing, or something about a wedding, something about love is definitely coming in this reading. I feel that you need to let go of the stress regarding wedding or love or marriage. I feel that things are working in perfect alignment for you. I also feel that connect with your inner child more. I don't know, like I'm just getting this message from this card that connect with your inner child more, go back to childhood, go back to things that used to make you happy as a kid, like lighten up, spend more time in nature. I'm feeling that also. For some of you, it could be that you have, like, you could meet somebody in nature, or like you could get married around a very natural or nature oriented environment. Like a couple of messages are coming. Then the lavender scent or lavender color is coming in my mind. I feel that keep that scent around to feel more calmer. It will relax you. Like, I just feel that let go of anxiety, that's the main message coming here, that let go of anxiety, let go of fear. Things are working out the way they are supposed to for you. So I'll be moving on to number 2 now, or the clear quartz crystal, and let me see what's coming. Okay, so here I am getting about getting to know each other, and I just feel for people who have chosen the number 2, that like I'm just feeling very heavy. There's a lot of heaviness over here in this message, and I just feel that take your time. Like, I'm also feeling that, like, the angel number, like I see 44, which is again boundaries. I think you really need to keep some boundaries from certain people in your life. If you have chosen this, you could be a water sign, or you have a very deep connect to water. Like, I feel this very aqua marine color energy. Like, connect with water, embrace your emotions. For some people, I'm also feeling that you could be meeting someone new, and or you have already met a new person, and I'm just getting that go slow, take your time, explore all the options. But the sea is really standing out to me in this message. Like, the sea has a very big role in your life right now. Maybe you are just need to release a lot of emotions. Past baggage is coming in my mind. The color green is also standing out, like heart chakra healing again. Yeah, I just feel that this full moon is supposed to bring more grounding for you. Like, you need to ground yourself in the present rather than going back to the past, or the patterns or the hurt that has already happened. Like, stay in the present, work in the stay in the present and work on the future. Like, you have a very beautiful future coming for you. If you are single right now and watching this, then it's a sign that you are going to meet that person. Like, your ideal love life is going to be coming true very soon, sooner than you expect.